So the next function or the method for string Boolean methods is lower. Now, the name itself suggests I do not need to explain much, where this particular method is used to check whether the string contains lower cases. Yeah. So this method returns true if all the characters has a case in the input string as lower cases. And there is at least one cased character, otherwise it returns false. Yeah. So what lower does, it checks whether a string has lower cases characters or not. Yeah. The syntax for this particular method is string, which we need to check, and is lower. Yeah. So it checks for the lower case within a string. Let's quickly run on to an example. Yeah. Let's take the previous examples only and so that we can run it a bit faster. So suppose I have this alphanumeric thing or string with special character. I have exclamation, which is a special character. Let me see if is lower. Yeah. Returns me cases. Yes. We need to check whether all the characters within the string are lower cases. No, it is giving me false because there are some upper cases. There is a special character available in the string as well. Yeah. So all the characters in this particular string are not lower cases. Yeah. When would it give me okay? So what I can do is I can make this all lower cases now. So let me make change the characters to make them lower cases. I'll remove the exclamation mark. See this? So it is giving me true because all the cases within the string are lower cases. Yeah. Even though if you have empty spaces in between, now this time it ignores the empty space. So if I try to have an empty space in between, it consider it as a lowercase, it is assumed, and it gives you the special character in case of, let me change the comments as well. In case all letters, all characters are lowercase. Yeah. Here, all characters are lowercase and there is space in the string. Yeah. So let's see what happens whether it gives you true or false. So it gives you true. So the space in between the characters are ignored or they are assumed to be lowercase when you are trying to pass a string with lower cases. So it gives me the output as true. Yeah. So is lower ignores spaces and it will check all the cased characters, whether those are in lowercase or uppercase. Yeah. Now suppose I try to put some special characters as well. So let me put some special characters and there are special characters in the string. Let's see, let me put some special character. Let me put an underscore between eyes can analyze. Yeah. and I'll put a exclamation at the end. Yeah. Let's see what is the output. See this? It gives me the output as true. Yeah. Because islower consider only the cased character. It ignores spaces. It ignores special characters as well from the string. Yeah. So if there are cased characters, then it will check for those characters. Yeah. And it will return you the value whether all the characters are lowercase or not. No matter what other characters are. Suppose I try to put number as well in this. So if I try to put a number, all characters are lowercase and there are numbers as well. Yeah. So if I try to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So it will ignore all the other characters. So what lower does is it ignores all the characters and it only considers the alphabet and check whether those are lowercase or not. Yeah. Now if I do not put anything, there has to be at least, as per our definition, there has to be at least one lowercase character to give the output as true or false. Now, if I do not put anything in the string, yeah, I just keep the string empty. It should return me false because I do not have anything on which I can check whether it is a string, whether it is a case string or not. Suppose I put A, it has to have at least one character. So it will give me true. Because it is checking, there is one lowercase character and it is checking it is true. Hence, it is giving me the output. But if I try to put empty string, in case of empty string, yeah, the output is false as there are no characters available to check. Yeah. Hope you understood this method pretty easy. By the name itself, it says that it checks for lowercase characters within the string. It doesn't bother or it even doesn't care what other characters are there in the string. But if there are alphabets, it has to be in lowercase. Hope you understood this video. Hope you like it. Do like, share it, comment or give your views on the video. And do subscribe to my channel, iScanAnalyst, to get such insightful videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.